Nice one. So, next recipe for you guys is going to be Caribbean sunshine twist. Alright, now we got some orange, which we're going to be using. Alright, this one going to be the Caribbean sunshine twist. If you don't know what that means, stay where you are and don't go anywhere. So we're gonna put some orange straight inside of the blender. Alright. So just cut in the orange and just put them inside of it because these oranges is just amazing. Them ready just to use. Nice one. So we're using 4 orange. Four orange and half of a lemon and a green apple. You just use what you have left over. Piece of a ginger. Nice one. So that's the Caribbean sunshine twist. We're gonna put some syrup inside of it, roughly about 2 tablespoons of syrup. Then we're going to put some water, roughly about 2 cups of water. You don't need to put any honey because of the orange and the syrup. Gonna simple pour him and strain it. Amazing. Look at this. And I add some more syrup when I was blending it, so you know what I mean, you just taste as it goes along, guys. Wow, that is amazing. That is lovely. What we're going to do is share it up with some ice. Lovely and nice. Honestly, guys, it's fantastic. It's just amazing. That is amazing. Look at that. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. If you want, you can put some alcohol in it, but that's gonna keep it simple. Beautiful one. Look at that color, guys. It is amazing. Beautiful, simple, and delicious. All right, that's exactly what we're talking about. Yeah. Please enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. We got a lot more recipe coming, a lot more ideas, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with some lovely recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned.